20 true facts that sound like total lies. 1. The inventor of the microwave oven got the idea from a melted chocolate bar. Percy Spencer noticed his chocolate melted near a radar, and boom, microwaves. 2. There's a species of fungus that turns ants into zombies. The Ophiocordyceps fungus controls ants, forcing them to climb high and die. 3. The longest time between two twins being born is 87 days. Due to complications, one twin was born months later, and both survived. 4. Elephants can hear with their feet. They detect low-frequency vibrations through the ground using their sensitive feet. 5. Venus is the hottest planet, not Mercury. Despite being second from the Sun, Venus's thick atmosphere traps heat better. 6. Penguins propose with pebbles. Male penguins offer the smoothest pebble to impress a mate. How romantic. 7. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. Their huge eyes help spot predators from far away. Their brains? Not so big. 8. The average person walks the equivalent of 5 times around Earth in a lifetime. That's over 200 million steps. 9. I am is the shortest complete sentence in English. Just 2 words, and it's grammatically perfect. 10. Earth once had 2 moons. Theorists believe a second moon once orbited Earth before colliding with the current one. 11. Cheetahs can't roar. Unlike lions, cheetahs purr, chirp, and hiss, but they never roar. 12. Earth is hit by 100 tons of space dust every day. Tiny particles from comets and asteroids constantly rain down unnoticed. 13. The majority of your brain is fat. About 60% of the brain is fat, making it the fattiest organ in your body. 14. There's a fish that can climb waterfalls. The Hawaiian goby uses a suction disc to scale wet rocks upstream. 15. Wombats run up to 25 miles per hour. Despite their chubby looks, wombats are surprisingly fast sprinters. 16. Antarctica is technically a desert. It receives less precipitation than the Sahara, making it the driest continent. 17. The unicorn is the national animal of Scotland. Scotland's mythical symbol of purity and power has been official since the 1300s. 18. Apples float because they're 25% air. That's why they bob so easily in water. 19. Honeybees can recognize human faces. They can process complex visual patterns, just like we do with faces. 20. The brain uses the same energy as a 10-watt light bulb. Your thinking cap runs on about the same power as a nightlight. Please subscribe for more interesting facts like this.